Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is August 19th when I'm recording this, and yeah, just want to let you guys know that we took an excellent day trade. Now, it wasn't the biggest. We actually only got 100% on one piece, and then we got just over break even on another. But you know what? The methodology, the way we handled it, the waiting for an actual trigger, and the trade management was excellent today. So I want to show you guys, we just put on the class last week, and then there were some growing pains as we had to start implementing the class and everything we did. But now I want to show you guys that today we've put everything into place, and today was a perfect day, even though it was a small day. And so part of what that means is, you know, I'm telling people we're getting on the mic, we'll see if there's anything setting up, and then there is something that sets up. So here we are taking the trade, and we say, okay, here's our entry price, we set our stop, great. And then it starts to move up in our direction, so we move the stop a little bit further, great. And then it continues to move, so we now set our stop above our entry price. So now it's a free trade no matter what. And then I say, okay, let's also set a target. So let's set a target for taking half off around 100% gain, which is 7.4. And then a little bit later, we actually hit it. So first target hit, and we exited at 7.4 for a double. So now we made 100% on this. And then we still have our 390 stop. You could have moved it up a little bit if you wanted in case something happened. And I just said, you know, I'm just going to leave it and give it a little bit of breathing room. And then the market just took a little bit of a dip. You know, we're really, I'll show you the market in a second, but we're really high up, and I just don't know how much further this thing can go. And so we got our second piece stopped out, and that is totally fine because you know what? Both trades were a win, and we had an excellent entry on this today. So I'm really very happy about the trade and trade management today, as that we just needed to get a little bit of our growing pains underneath and behind us. But this market is super high up, and I just don't know where this is gonna go. Some people are talking about 5,600. Maybe it could hit 5,600. And that still might not make options pay. You might have to do a different strategy in order for a very slow crawl up to 5,600 work. But based on our strategy, we took a 100% win today. And I'm just looking at some point, I'm looking for a pullback. Maybe it's today, maybe it's tomorrow, maybe it's next week. We don't know. But at some point there will be a pullback. I'm going to be looking for it. And I think that will be the next area of where we get some more volatility, but also bigger moves. You know, this market has been up quite a bit, but just kind of grinds each day and doesn't represent the biggest of opportunities during intraday stuff. So we got 100%. Hey, can't really complain too much about that. And I think going into this week, we're going to have a really good time since we just kind of needed to kind of refine some things from last week. So if anybody's been kind of following me with the 0-day day trading stuff, I think we're back on track today. Just fantastic entry, excellent trade management, and I got some renewed interest and excitement for the week, especially since I think we've got some volatility coming up. All right, guys. Well, thanks again, and we'll be seeing you at the next one. Take care. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.